This is a special opportunity of the camp. For those who've been around, you understand this, you've been here before. For a newcomer, it's a great scenario to meet and learn from Detroit Tiger. So at this time, I'm going to bring in Jeff Jones, and he just brought Shane Green. Come on in, Jonesy and Shane Green.
Throw the ball as hard as I can 10 times before the catcher gets down, and then the catcher gets down, and I kind of just feel it out from there. Some days my fastball's there right away, some days it's not. If it's not, you can't get anybody out without fastball command, so I'll just stay with that until it gets there, and then flip a couple breaking balls. And, you know, some days you're going to have more time to get loose than others, so you just got to kind of listen to your body.
Your favorite MLB player growing up?
My favorite player, I had to pick one, probably Mike Piazza. He was just drafted kind of when I was about your age, and you know, he was a guy that was drafted last pick in the draft. Nobody thought, you know, he was going to be much of a player. He turned out to be a Hall of Fame player. He was the best hitting catcher in baseball, and you know, for me, he was my favorite player.
How did you feel after you heard that you were going to the All-Star game?
Oh, it was awesome. I didn't expect it. It's only my second year, only 24 years old, and just to be able to go with Justin Upton down to Miami, it kind of happened like Brad, our manager, called me into his office a couple weeks ago and asked if I had any plans for the All-Star break, and I said, well, I was probably going to go back home to Oklahoma, where I'm from, and I said, but I don't have really anything set in stone. And he told me, he goes, you're not going home. I said, why not? He said, well, you're going to Miami to go play in the All-Star game. So it was really something special to me that to get voted in, to be able to play in the All-Star game. I didn't get to pitch in it, but that's all right. We had fun, and J-Up had a pretty good game too.
Group 2, eh? Group 2, huh?
Up here? Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Up here? There you are.